Hey everyone, so skin update. So this is how my skin look right now, and I have few active pimples or breakouts. And my pimple on my chin got so big because I accidentally hit it with my hand. Yeah, but anyway, so I am posting this video just to share with you that I still don't have perfect skin. I am still getting acne, especially whenever I am not monitoring what I eat, and also if I am not drinking the right amount of water to hydrate my body. Yeah, so I know my food triggers so sweet and oily food. So just to share with you what happened was I consumed a lot of ice cream, and also my everyday meal was always fried, or maybe most of the time. So this happened because me and my partner moved to a apartment, so we are now living independently, living together. So this was our lifestyle for 3 weeks. But now we are trying to go back to our normal lifestyle. So I truly believe that what you put your body inside will also show outside. And I will try to update you guys with my everyday skin progress or healing. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.